Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this stunning olive green cat eye nails look. Step 1. Shaping nails. Depending on the customer's preference, file the nails into the desired form. In this case, the customer wants a short round shape, so you only need to file the edges of the nail tips to make them round. Step 2. Cuticle buffing. Next is cuticle buffing, which involves pushing back the dead skin around the nail bed. Be gentle during this step to avoid denting the client's nails. Step 3. Soften the skin. You need to soften the skin of the customer's hands to prepare for cutting the skin. Step 4. Cuticle pusher. Since we used the machine earlier, now we just need to push the skin gently. Step 5. Cut the cuticles. Make sure the cuticle nippers are properly sterilized and sharp so that cutting is clean and doesn't hurt the client. Step 6. E-file. Next is e-file. Our nails naturally have an oily layer. This step removes that oil so that when the polish is applied, it adheres better and lasts longer. Step 7. Clean the nails. Before applying polish, use alcohol to clean the nails and wipe off any dust left from buffing. Step 8. Base coat. We apply a base coat. This bonding layer is crucial as it affects all the subsequent polish layers. Be careful not to let it flood the nail edges. Step 9. Nail strengthener. Next is nail strengthener. This step reinforces the nail and provides a solid base for color application. Use a mini UV lamp to dry the polish. Be cautious with the distance to avoid burning the client's fingers. Step 10. Color design. Now we move on to the color design. I'm using a beautiful olive green color. I apply a layer of olive green polish as the base, then go over it with a cat eye gel for the magnetic effect. Olive green nails are chic, earthy, and versatile with a muted, sophisticated hue. They suit neutral outfits: white, beige, black, warm tones, mustard, rust, or bold accents, gold, navy for casual, bohemian, or professional looks. This color is chosen for its timeless elegance, seasonal versatility, especially fall-winter, and ability to complement all skin tones while adding a modern, nature-inspired vibe. After applying one layer of olive green polish, I use a cat eye gel to create the magnetic effect. Then I use a magnet to create a cat eye effect. Gently hover the magnet above and around the nail in different directions to achieve a smooth and symmetrical cat eye effect. Once the design is achieved, I use the mini lamp to cure and set the effect. Repeat this process on the other nails. After completing the cat eye polish layer, we will apply olive green polish on top to finish the color coat. Step 11. Create detailed patterns on the nails. Next, I use silver glitter gel and a fine detail brush to paint lightning bolt designs, adding a striking accent to the nail set. When painting, make sure to move the brush slowly and carefully to keep the lines thin and clean for the best result. Lightning bolt designs paired with olive green nails create a bold, modern and edgy aesthetic, blending earthy sophistication with dynamic energy. The olive green base adds a chic, versatile tone, while lightning bolts inject a rebellious, trendy vibe. Perfect for streetwear, casual, or party styles. This combo suits vibrant outfits and metallic accessories, showcasing confidence and contemporary flair. Step 12. Top coat. Lastly, apply a top coat to finish off the nail set. Top coat gives nails a glossy, smooth, and polished finish. It helps the manicure last longer by creating a hard, protective barrier over the nail surface. And here's the final result. Let's take a look.